How to print borderless on Word. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can print borderless on Word. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to open up your Word document. Once you have opened it up, now navigate to the top left corner and click on this file option. From this menu bar right here, you have to select print. So you will land on this kind of interface. First of all, select your printer. Now head towards the settings page. If you want to reduce the margin or if you want to reduce your document border, then you can select the normal margins drop down right here, and from here you can select the narrow margin as well, and then the border will be reduced. But if you don't want any borders in your document, then you have to click on this drop down again and head towards the custom margin. Once you are here, navigate to top section that says margin, and there are various values for the top, bottom, left, right. So here you have to set all of this to 0. Once you're done with that, now all you have to do is click on OK. And there you go. Now the border has been removed from your Word document. Now you can print it. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.